Notion I Enterprise Marketing Suite Pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people know Notion as a productivity and note-taking tool, but the Enterprise I Marketing Suite transforms it into something much bigger. So, what exactly do you get, and why does it cost more? Let's find out. Notion I Enterprise pricing starts around per user per month, plus additional fees for advanced AI and security features. It's designed for large organizations managing projects, marketing campaigns, and content workflows at scale. The core benefit: AI-driven productivity. With Notion AI, teams can generate marketing copy, summarize reports, brainstorm campaign ideas, and even translate content all directly inside their Notion workspace. It's like having a smart assistant embedded in your workflow. Enterprise users also gain advanced permissions, so audit logs and priority support, making collaboration safe and seamless across departments. The surprising truth is that Notion AI Enterprise isn't just about efficiency, it's about alignment. Marketing, sales, and product teams can plan campaigns, track performance, and create content together in one unified hub. No more switching between 10 different tools. In short, Notion AI Enterprise offers the perfect mix of creativity, collaboration, and security for organizations that want to centralize content and marketing intelligence in one place.